guy or?
Am I the guy?
Yeah.
As opposed to?
No, because I mean I've seen your videos. Are you the actual Mr. Checkpoint?
How have you seen the videos? On Instagram?
Nah, YouTube.
Oh.
But I mean,
Yeah, I am.
I appreciate the work. I mean, we like to get the word out,
All I want to say is the best way that we police is we film the police. A lot of these cops have no camera on. They don't have any cameras on.
Where's your body cam, champ?
Oh, it's at the station. I ran out.
Yeah, you should probably have it.
The ones who do have cameras on, some of them don't have them on.
Exactly. Your body cam on? Could you turn your body cam on?
You want it on?
Yeah, of course.
Sure.
We must always film the police. The only reason we're saying hashtags over and over is because that's caught on film.
Exactly.
It can't be our word against theirs. And if you film the police, upload it, share it, tell your friends to speak out. And if you have the skin color of mine, you can pull over. You can always film the police.
Always film the police.
And if you're scared, you keep going and you get home. And the last thing is, the Mr. Checkpoint app, you can upload all of the footage and see all of the police doing all of the stuff across the nation. It's like Yelp for police. It's the best thing that we can have for us. So, I stand with y'all. Always film the police!
Always film the police.
Always film the police!
Always film the police.
Always film the police!
Always film the police.
Look, y'all follow Mr. Checkpoint. Mr. Checkpoint _, is one of my favorite accounts. I like him. Mr. Checkpoint, young man out there making a difference in the community. You know what I mean? Let me tell you what he do. I'm gonna start doing this in front of our barbershop downtown. He feeds the meters for people. That's an American thing to do. He feeds the meter so people don't get tickets. Because think about the person who get a ticket can't afford it. You can't afford parking. You can't afford a fucking ticket.
What's up, Mr. Checkpoint?
Mr. Checkpoint? What's up, dude? You guys ever go to Mr. Checkpoint? Always film the police. That is what he says. And he has videos where you're like, Jesus Christ. Yeah.
You know, I respect what you do. I think that obviously there's good and bad in every area of life. And the fact that you try to shine a light and keep, people honest in that area of policing is, I think, admirable and honorable.
You literally were walking up to police officers, and asking them where their body camera was. And when I saw you walking up to them going, where's your body camera? Where do you put it? How do you use it? Is it on? Is it off? I was cringing. I was like,
people here that clearly are advocating that they record everything that the police and or the sheriff's department does. As you turn around, some of these people are agitated just at the fact that this sheriff's patrol car has come up to stand here. They're concerned. I hear you, sir. These people are concerned that those sheriff's deputies have their name badges covered, but not.
See what I mean? Covered.
Follow Mr. Checkpoint on Instagram, and he will maybe save your life like he has so many others.
Yeah, I'm extreme on this. I look at it as like people either deal with this every day and they can't speak up about it because they're literally dealing with it every day, or people really don't know what's happening. And so like I'm personally with Mr. Checkpoint trying to bridge that gap.
Always film the police. How do you know that?